So you might be in a random situation where for some reason the Instagram, your DM panel, your direct message panel doesn't show a primary or general option. So you can see right here, I don't have primary, requests, or general. Now, the first thing to remember here is that you normally will only see these particular options here is if you somehow have some sort of a professional account on Instagram. You will not see these tabs unless you have a professional account. So if you want to go and get those, you will have to switch over to a personal account. You can do that by going over into your bottom right corner on Instagram. So going right into the bottom right, and then going through and basically switching your account to a personal account or a professional account. So in the top right corner, click on those three lines right up there. And then what you're going to want to do is you then want to go through and switch it over. So you can go right here, you can see all this other information, account, whatever, all this stuff. At the very bottom, there's going to be a little tab or a little option that should show something allowing you to switch your account. So find that particular option that allows you to switch your account. And from there, you're going to be able to go through it and actually kind of switch your account from being what it is now over into an actual professional account. So that might be under Account Center as well. So find that particular account option, set it up, and that's another way to go and fix this. Now, if that's not working, the other way to do this is by updating the Instagram application. So find the Instagram app within the App Store, and you want to see if that ends up kind of going through and fixing that problem. So you can go through, type into the App Store, try updating the application that way, and that's another really easy way of kind of fixing this problem. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, not me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.